nothing's up. Can I hang out with you guys?
No, what? Hanging out? Us? We're not hanging out.
Is everything okay? 'Cause you're being all...
Oh. I'm inside. We're all hanging out. Surprise!
We know you're homesick, so we brought a piece of home to you. Breathe it in.
It's sea salt body spray from my parents, but it smells like the beach, right?
It does. It smells like home. I feel seriously lame, though. No one else is homesick.
Are you kidding? I'm mega homesick, like all the time. Me too.
All the time. Definitely homesick. Real. All of you? All of us. So you can always talk to us. We get it. Thanks. And even though I'm homesick, the truth is, there's still no place I'd rather be than here with you guys.
Same with us. But for now, let's sit back, relax, and soak up the fake sun before our next class. Rainbow High Beach Day!